Hey everyone, this is Dave Cooper and we are in Rutherford, New Jersey today, and I am standing with Joe Krokus, and behind me is a repurposed, reused structure that you're framing out with this knee wall to add panelized structure on top, correct?
That's correct, yes.
Joe, why did you choose panelized?
Well, after building numerous homes, I realized that this is just a more efficient way to build. Labor is incredibly expensive and time consuming, and being able to use a panelized structure can get my work dried in much quicker.
Right. So tell me where you're at in the project right now.
We're waiting just to figure out how to put the second floor panel on so that structure is ready to receive the panels that will be coming off-site.
Right.
And we're 3 days away from making that happen, so it's exciting times.
It is exciting. So tell me what's going on here, a little bit about the building.
Well, the building is an old structure that was cement and wasn't structurally sound, so we had to take it down to a specific height, get engineering approval to be able to go back up.
Right.
So the existing structure slowed us down, and that's the reason why I'm doing off-site, because then I can make up the lost time and money associated with that time.
Sure. And the name of your company is Hive. Why did you go with Hive? Give me the whole name.
Modern Hive Homes.
Modern Hive Home, right.
The idea of being able to take something that's so important and making it more modern, and I thought that the word hive just represents so many different things. It takes a queen bee and a lot of bees to make anything work, and that's the whole premise behind
right.
Modern Hive Homes.
But a lot less when you're using off-site construction.
Absolutely,
right?
so true. I will never go back to conventional framing again.
Yeah. So tell me, what's the timeline on this project, and what are you saving with your timing with using panelized?
Well, we're coming into the fall season, and by doing panelized, that's going to be able to allow me to dry it in probably in a third of the time. We also have another complex called American Dream that's opening up a mile away.
Okay.
I've got to get this ready for those employees that need rentals.
Got it.
These will turn into rentals just to support the American Dream, which is less than a mile away.
So are we okay to come back and do a follow-up video on this?
We'd love for you to come back.
So there you have it, Modern Hive Homes, Joe Krokus. We're in Rutherford, New Jersey today. This is going to be a panelized structure on top of this frame knee wall. Only a couple months away from being completed. Joe, thanks so much.
Thanks, Dave.